All right, greetings and welcome back to PinballHelp. Mike here. We are going to plug in the Balls A Poppin. We've been working on it, so now let's give it a try. Jeff's over there. Are you grounded, properly grounded, not grounded? Okay.
First, are you talking about spiritually? Or?
All right, I'm going to flip this on. We don't know if the power's on or off, so we'll know when I flip this. So, okay. Hit one of the flippers just to see if it turns things on. Okay, so now flip it, turn the thing underneath it. Woo!
Nice.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Flippers, one of the flippers. Oh, there we go.
Did it kick that ball out when you put it in? Oh, nice. Now remember, we don't have all the rubbers on here.
I don't see this. I don't see anything happening on the scoring, but that could be bulbs that are out.
Yeah. Ah! Oh, dang, it works! All right, don't go too nuts with it because we don't have everything hooked. We don't have all the rubbers in, but that's working. It's working. Now it looks like the player scoring is not. And hold on a minute. The ball in play. Did that advance?
I don't see.
Wow. So we've got a good bit of it functioning. All right. So.
The scoring isn't working.
It just went from 1 to 2.
Oh, did it?
I don't know if that's ball. Uh-oh, they popped it. 500's
All right, yeah. See, I think some of the balls are. We are getting scoring. That's probably just the light bulbs. But we don't have all the rubbers in, so we probably want to be careful. I think we should work more on the play field now. So we got. Look at that, it's working.
That must be game. Well, it doesn't say game complete.
But it didn't kick the ball out. Huh.
No, it did not.
There could be a little problem with the ball stepper unit, but. Oh, or just a switch in there.
Or we're missing a ball.
Is there a ball stuck somewhere? Yeah, it looks like we are missing a ball. Huh? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, it's right here.
Ah, okay. See, it's stuck. That's where. So everything is working as it should. Hold on a minute. I don't want to. Yeah. That's not good. Okay. Wow, it's working pretty much exactly as it should. Yeah, let's find the ball stuck up there. So we have a few. The scoring is not. It is working. Look, it's counting over there too. We just have some lights that are out.
I think we have some stuck switches too.
Wow, this is awesome. All right, well we are on our way. We gotta put all the rubbers on because I don't want to see one of these balls. Look at the kickers are working. So what increases the number of balls?
The wild balls, you mean?
Yeah. Ah, okay. So that's what the.
So the ball in play is not lighting up.
So you have 9 balls possible, but wild balls goes 6 up here?
Yes.
So how do you get the extra, I guess, 2 balls?
Well,
That's gonna kick. I guess you can still put balls in. I guess you can still put balls in play. We want to be careful though, because we could, without these things protected, we could cause some shorts in here. Wow, this is gonna be fun. All right. So just a little bit. worried about it. I'm worried about it falling back behind there. All right. Awesome. Well, how do you like that?
That still doesn't say game complete.
Yeah. So
I
the
think we're missing one of the balls there.
oh, was it stuck somewhere? Where's it? Where's the ball?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
We
6,
are
7,
missing
8.
one.
Yeah.
Where did it
Oh, it's right here.
go? There it is.
Now the ball. It looks like the ball player stepper unit. So that we're not seeing the player stepper unit.
So is it
complete.
just kicking out balls no matter what?
It's
Yeah.
not counting down the last ball in play. So you see the ball. See ball in play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That whatever that stepper is not working. So that's the only stepper that we know of is we got a problem with. And at some point, yeah, so we'll just have to figure that one out. But that's pretty darn close. It's very, very common for the player stepper unit to go out on these games because that's probably, one of the most worked relays. All right. Well, that was nice. I was apprehensive about turning it on for the
Yeah,
first
so
time
was
on
I.
camera, but I guess our diligence paid off in kind of going over everything carefully. So we'll just check the player stepper unit, look at the schematics, and revisit that, see why it's not advancing. And we could be ready. Then we'll start working on the thing. We got to do something with that mushroomed plunger.
I have a new plunger.
Oh, you do? Okay,
I think
great.
so.
Great. All right. So progress. Hopefully we'll get this thing playing right away. And that back glass is original. Isn't that amazing? We can't figure out how to pull it out without pulling the whole back of the head out. But we might have to do that because I really want to put some triple thick on that and preserve it. So that's it. For more, visit pinballhelp.com. And until the next installment, thanks for watching.